how to use the available referral code you have on the Shein website here in front of you on your browser. For this, what I will do is simply open the Shein official website in front of me, and it will redirect me to the home page available on the Shein. But I will click on the login option of the Shein application here. I have to log in with my email ID and my account password. Here I simply have to click on email as I don't have a registered account right now, so I have to make it one. If you have another account, if you have already an account on Shein, then you can use your previous account and you don't have to create it. As I'm creating one account right now, I have to enter the email address, then click on the continue button, choose my details, create a password, and many more from this menu. After signing into your account, whenever you will look for the product page or anything you want to purchase, whenever you will click it. So on the payment page, it will demand you for the referral code and you can enter it there. Thank you so much for watching this video.